Hi guys, this is Rishabh reporting from the International Space Station. Looks pretty cool out here. I can see the Earth if you can also see it right there. Looks pretty cool, but no, I'm just kidding. We're just set up a new production studio out here in Dubai, and let me show you around.
So over here we have a studio recording setup that has been executed on site. We have multiple systems over here. We have an audio system, we have a video system, we have a lighting system. So these are the technical aspects of the project. Now, when we come to the video system, we have a Panasonic DSLR camera, which is connected to an Atom ME switcher, and then the switcher is connected to the hyperdeck. So everything that's recorded gets stored on the hyperdeck. Now coming to the microphone systems, we have two types of mics, lapel mics. You can see me wearing one right now. And then we have a sealing microphone by Shure, which is placed on top. The audio gets mixed and then it's recorded onto the hyperdeck. Then we have two types of lights. One is the tripod lights, 3 in front of me. They are by this brand called GVM. And then we have Brightline studio lights set up inside the ceiling. Now, audio is a very important aspect when you're recording videos. And it is also important to have the right environment at the same time. So we have 78 panels, acoustic panels installed within this room, which helps in enhancing the audio quality. Then we have a teleprompter so that when the person is speaking, he can view the content and he has confidence in what he's saying as the content is in front of him and he doesn't have to memorize it. We also have a Wacom touch panel over here, which is connected to the laptop, and this laptop will be placed at the workstation over there. So if the user wants to make any changes during his recording, like changing the background or stop the recording, he can interact with the touch panel which is placed on this table over here.
3, 2, 1, action.
Hey guys, this is Rishabh. Oh man.
3, 2, 1, action.
Hey guys, this is Rishabh. Oh man.